Greetings, humans. I am Professor Fahim, and today, we meet a legend. Don't underestimate her. She changed kitchens across the universe. Let's go inside. She prefers explaining things herself. And now I'll leave you with the potato. As for me, goodbye.
Hello, I'm the potato. Simple look, powerful personality.
I'm rich in potassium and vitamin C. Yes, I'm actually useful.
I give you energy fast, but too much of me is trouble.
Choose me firm, smooth-skinned, without sprouts or green spots. Green color means, don't eat me!
Before anything, wash me well. A soft brush and running water removes dirt and pesticides. My cleanliness is the secret to your health.
My skin has benefits and contains fibers. Don't peel it off without thinking.
If you exfoliate me, let it be light. I am sensitive inside.
Stop! Don't peel me thickly like that! Most vitamins are right under the skin. Peel me gently! Turn on the cold tap, use a sharp peeler, and rotate me slowly. This way you preserve my benefits. Common mistake! Don't cut me, then wash me! Starch and nutrients escape into the water. Wash, then cut!
The refrigerator is my enemy. Cold turns starch into sugar, and when I fry it turns black.
My place is in a dark, dry cupboard, away from onions so they don't rot quickly. This way I live for weeks.
The secret to crunchiness, dry me well before oiling. Water plus oil, dangerous splashes and explosions.
Oil heated to 170 degrees, not more. Simple test, dip my edge. Hey, bubbles rise, ready. Sizzling perfectly. Don't overcrowd me in the pan. Turn off the heat when I'm golden. Take me out and let me rest for 2 minutes. Paper towel absorbs excess oil. Salt immediately after taking out. And serve immediately to enjoy the crispiness. For health, bake me whole or mash me with a little milk and herbs. Same taste, half the calories.
Do you think I'm only for eating? Wait for the surprises.
My starch helps clean tarnished silver. Natural and gentle. Yes, I polish jewelry in silver.
Broken glass is a serious problem. Be careful not to hurt yourselves. This is where I come in.
My starchy wet surface captures small fragments more safely. My natural coolness relieves eye puffiness, temporarily, but I am not a medical treatment, just a simple aid.
My peels have old secrets too.
Boiled peel water is said to darken gray hair. Just traditional use, test first. Never rely on me alone.
From food to cleaning, care, and beauty! Hee hee! So much fun!
This is how you become true friends with potatoes. Professor Pham leaves to meet a new fruit or vegetable.
I love you, smart ones. Remember my tips and enjoy me wisely. Your loyal potato says goodbye.